guys, today we are learning Ed Sheeran and Taylor Swift. Everything had changed. So you need a capo on the 4th fret. The guitar is on the standard tuning, so you need a capo on the 4th fret, and you need a D major chord, which is look like this, and B minor chord, which is look like this, G major, or you can do like this, A major, and E minor 7th chord. E minor 7th chord is just like E minor, but you need to put these two fingers on the 1st and 2nd string of the 3rd fret. So E minor 7th. So in the intro you will need a D major chord and sus4 chord. The sus4 chord is same as D major chord, you just need to release the middle finger, so it will become the sus4. So the strumming will be down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, up. So for the intro you will need to do like this: down, 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 up, down, and on the sus4, down, up, down, 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 up, down, on the sus4, down, up. Then the song will start on the D chord. And all I know, then B minor. Tap on the A chord. I did it before, so it will be D, B minor, or you can do like this bar, and a G major chord, and A major chord. Now on the pre-chorus you need D minor, D major, D major, E minor 7th, G major, and E major. So it will be like this. I just wanna know, you better know, you better know, you better know. I just wanna know, you better know, you better know, you better know. Now in the chorus you need a D major chord, B minor, A major, and G major, same as intro, but D, B minor, A comes before the G, then last chord will be G. So it will be all I Now in the bridge you'll need a B minor chord. Come back and tell me why. And G major, I feel like I miss you. D major all this time. A major, and meet me there tonight. G major, in my mind. Then same as the chorus. So guys, that's for all. Thanks for watching. If this will help you, then please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like. Thanks for watching.